Welcome back to AutoX Nova, the channel where we bring you the latest luxury cars, futuristic SUVs, and automotive innovations from around the world. If you're passionate about premium vehicles and want to stay ahead of the curve, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Today, we're taking a close look at the incredible 2027 Cadillac Escalade IQ-L, a luxury electric SUV that pushes the boundaries of design, technology, performance, and comfort. If this is the future of full-size luxury SUVs, then Cadillac has certainly made a bold statement. The 2027 Cadillac Escalade IQ-L immediately commands attention with its massive presence and unmistakable road presence. While staying true to the iconic Escalade identity, this all-electric version introduces a cleaner, more futuristic design language. The front fascia is sleek and sophisticated, featuring an illuminated Cadillac crest, a large sculpted grille panel, sharp LED daytime running lights, and vertical signature lighting that instantly makes the vehicle recognizable from a distance. Every angle of this SUV reflects confidence and elegance. Moving to the side, the IQ-L looks incredibly refined with its extended wheelbase, flush door handles, aerodynamic body lines, and large premium alloy wheels that perfectly complement the SUV's proportions. The long roofline not only enhances the luxurious appearance but also creates more interior space for passengers in all three rows. Black gloss accents, premium trim elements, and carefully sculpted surfaces make the SUV look modern without sacrificing its bold American luxury character. At the rear, Cadillac continues the dramatic styling with tall vertical LED taillights that stretch nearly the full height of the vehicle. A clean tailgate design, subtle spoiler, premium rear diffuser, and elegant lighting elements create a sophisticated finish that stands out both during the day and at night. Step inside the 2027 Escalade IQ-L, and you're greeted by one of the most luxurious cabins ever offered in an electric SUV. High-quality leather upholstery, genuine wood trim, soft-touch materials, and premium metal accents create an atmosphere worthy of a flagship luxury vehicle. Every surface feels carefully crafted, giving occupants an experience that rivals some of the world's most expensive luxury SUVs. Dominating the dashboard is an expansive curved digital display that seamlessly combines the digital instrument cluster, infotainment system, and passenger display into one futuristic setup. The graphics are crisp, the interface is smooth, and the entire system feels intuitive to use. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, cloud-connected navigation, voice controls, multiple USB-C ports, wireless charging, and over-the-air software updates ensure that the technology remains current for years to come. Passenger comfort has clearly been a top priority. The extended IQ-L body provides exceptional legroom in all three rows, making long-distance travel enjoyable for every passenger. Heated, ventilated, and massaging front seats offer first-class comfort, while available executive second-row captain's chairs transform the rear cabin into a private luxury lounge. Ambient lighting, panoramic glass roof, 4-zone climate control, premium sound insulation, and a high-end surround sound system elevate every journey. One of the biggest advantages of the Escalade IQ-L is its practicality. The larger body allows for generous cargo space behind the third row, making it ideal for family vacations, airport trips, or carrying sports equipment and luggage without compromising passenger comfort. Fold-flat seating options provide even greater flexibility whenever additional storage is needed. Powering the 2027 Cadillac Escalade IQ-L is an advanced dual-motor all-wheel drive electric powertrain that delivers impressive performance. Instant electric torque allows this full-size luxury SUV to accelerate with surprising confidence despite its size. The ride feels smooth, quiet, and effortless, perfectly matching the premium character expected from a flagship Cadillac. The advanced battery system is expected to deliver a highly competitive driving range, allowing owners to comfortably handle daily commuting as well as long-distance road trips. Fast charging capability minimizes charging time, helping drivers get back on the road quickly. Multiple regenerative braking modes improve efficiency while providing smoother driving in city traffic. Cadillac has also equipped the IQ-L with an impressive collection of advanced driver assistance technologies. Features such as adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, 360-degree cameras, automatic parking assistance, traffic sign recognition, and Cadillac's advanced hands-free highway driving technology work together to increase both convenience and safety. ride quality remains one of the strongest highlights. Thanks to its sophisticated air suspension and adaptive damping system, the Escalade IQ-L delivers a smooth, composed driving experience over rough roads while maintaining excellent stability on highways. Rear-wheel steering further improves maneuverability, making this large SUV surprisingly easy to handle in tighter spaces. From a design perspective, the Escalade IQ-L successfully blends traditional Cadillac luxury with modern electric vehicle innovation. It offers bold styling without becoming overly aggressive, advanced technology without overwhelming the driver, and luxury without compromising practicality. This combination makes it appealing to families, executives, and luxury SUV enthusiasts alike. The 2027 Cadillac Escalade IQ-L represents much more than just another electric SUV. It symbolizes Cadillac's vision for the future, a future where luxury, performance, sustainability, cutting-edge technology, and everyday usability come together in one extraordinary package. Whether you're looking for exceptional comfort, advanced innovation, premium craftsmanship, or commanding road presence, this flagship electric SUV delivers on nearly every front. Thanks for watching today's video. We hope you enjoyed this in-depth look at the stunning 2027 Cadillac Escalade IQ-L. Let us know in the comments what you think about Cadillac's latest electric flagship and whether you would choose it over other luxury electric SUVs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AutoX Nova for more exciting automotive content, luxury car reviews, concept vehicles, and the latest industry updates. Until next time, drive safe, stay inspired, and we'll see you in the next video.